Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to do a first impressions of some E.L.F products that I've recently bought. Now, the three products I've bought is the E.L.F Poreless Face Primer, the E.L.F Highlighter in Glow, and the very famous E.L.F 16-Hour Camo Concealer Corrector. And I've seen this on YouTube a lot. Jeffree Star's reviewed it. It's really, really popular on YouTube. I'm really excited to try this. And also, when my face is done with all these products, I'm also going to do an eyeshadow, kind of eyeshadow look. And I'm going to use the Morphe palette. And it's the Dual Crew 9C palette. So I hope everyone's having a great day wherever you are. I'm just going to give you a little update on myself, obviously, because I love to do this. I have recently just got my lips done again, as you can probably tell. I've had the upper lip plumped up because the bottom, we were concentrating on the bottom for such a long time. Oh, is my nose ring, wasn't there? We were concentrating on the bottom for such a long time that we kind of forgot about the top. So we plumped it up and, oh, it looks amazing. It's slightly swollen because I got it done about 2 days ago. But I'm absolutely in love with my lips. They look so luscious and very, very big. Also, I haven't got any lashes on, as you can see. I took them all off because they were getting really, really janky. And I don't know if you ever have lashes, if you've ever had lashes, but they do get really like kind of crusty and like really vile. So I've had to take them all off. I feel absolutely naked without lashes. I feel like a baby. But I've got some mascara on. My hair, I've just curled. I'm actually going to get it done in about 2 weeks' time. I'm going to get some highlights put through my dark roots because it's just a nightmare trying to keep up with the maintenance of my roots because every 2 weeks you can see growth. So, not every two, yeah. Within the second week you can see growth. So, I'm really excited for that. And obviously I'll do a video when I've got my new hair. So, yeah. My lashes are literally non-existent and they don't look too bad here, but when I've got no makeup on, I literally look like a plucked chicken. The first product that I have actually used already because I had to do my face, I've just done foundation, is the E.L.F Poreless Face Primer. Now, it says, this multi-purpose primer preps your skin so makeup goes on evenly for a long-lasting matte finish. Unique formula helps reduce the appearance of enlarged pores, fine lines, and shine. Infused with tea tree and vitamins A&E. Oh, I thought you meant about going to A&E. How stupid. A&E to help keep skin looking youthful. Directions: apply to clean skin prior to makeup application. Use a small amount and blend evenly over the face. You may need to pump several times when the products are first opened. So this is the bottle, and I've used it this morning. It's very tea tree. So if you don't like tea tree, then you're not going to like this because it's so heavily influenced. It's so much in it. I mean, you can smell it through the bottle, and I like tea tree, but it reminds me of when I was a kid, and I remember putting it on my spots because tea tree is good for spots, isn't it? And it's giving me that smell, and yeah, it reminds me of being a kid. But it's really, really nice. I like the bottle. It's pink. It's kind of a glass pink. Obviously, the product isn't pink. I'm just going to pump. So this is the product. And I'm just going to rub it in my hands. And the product is very weird because it blends into the skin and it has like a sheen. Can you see? But it feels like a cream. Very weird sensation. It looks like a cream, but it blends like a jelly kind of consistency. As you can see here. And it's very, very, can you see that sheen? Very soft, and it does mattify pores. But to me, the smell is just too heavily influenced with tea tree. So that puts me off. But it's a cute little bottle. Actually, what does E.L.F stand for? I'd love to know what it stands for. But yeah, this is the primer. I don't know if you can see from my skin how it's looking. To me, it just looks the same. I mean, to me, primers, I kind of like the, which primer do I like? I like the Bobbi Brown Mineral enriched face base. That is amazing. And it smells like oranges and vanilla and spa. And it's so nice. I really, really like that. The second item I'm going to just try out now because I haven't got any concealer is this E.L.F 16-hour Camo Concealer. Now, like I said before, I've seen everyone and their mum use this on YouTube. This is actually the same shade as Jeffree Star, so I'm really worried because I'm not as pale as him. And it says, pat out gently with your finger or a sponge for a smooth blend. Cruelty-free. And it's meant to last 16 hours. Now, I got the Fair Beige. And I'm going to give you the prices after. I think this was about £8. I'm not sure. But here's the doe foot. And I really like this because it reminds me of the Shape Tape. You know the one, the Tarte Shape Tape. So I love anything like this. I'm going to apply it on the face now. My trusty 3CE mirror, which is amazing. I'm just going to apply just a tiniest bit because I'm really worried. Cause I looked at the reviews. I mean, look how much product I'm putting on. I've literally dipped once. It's so pigmented. So my chin. And then just a tiny bit on my nose. And then just, yeah, just some here. That looks really attractive. So I'm going to blend now. I'm very worried this shade's going to be too light, but I do like kind of a light kind of concealer. I've just wet my beauty blender. I'm just going to buff away. Now, because this is such a thick formula, I'm worried that if I take too long to blend, you know, don't blend it quickly, it might just settle in the skin. Wow. Let me just finish this side up as well. So I'm just patting, pushing product in my face. I sound like an actual makeup guru and I'm not. I'm not whatsoever. I've just been watching a lot of tutorials. That to me is very, very brightening. That's so bright. So I used a tiny bit and the coverage is amazing and there's not too much, you know, there's not too much product. And I don't look like I've got, you know, what's the flash? You know, when people have like pictures and the flashes, like you can see it's like a bloody white kind of circle. I'm really impressed, very pigmented. I'm very, very happy with this. One thing I wanted from the E.L.F was the primer. It's the round primer that's actually sold out. I think it's E.L.F, but no one has it anymore. It's like I can't remember what it is now. Please comment down below if you know what I mean. It's like a round primer. It's like a poreless primer, is it called? I can't remember. No, this is a poreless primer. You know what I mean? I don't know. Maybe. So that's the concealer. Really impressed. Really impressed. So, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to do my makeup, my eyeshadow look. Don't really know what to go for, but I think I'm going to go for something quite golden. I'm going to use the Dual palette, the Morphe palette. And I'm going to use the Makeup Geek brush, and I'm going to just do kind of a gold kind of brown look. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start out with Rock Out. I'm really rubbish at eyeshadows. I'm just going to lightly pat. So obviously because I'm not wearing eyelashes, I kind of feel like I need to go back into eyeshadow because the lashes that I had kind of took care. I didn't really need to use eyeshadow. You'll understand if you wear false eyelashes, you know, eyelash extensions. You don't really need to use eyeshadow, but now, obviously, I'm a bald kind of egg. I do. So I'm going to use this kind of, I don't know what brush it is, but it's kind of a generic kind of gold brush. I'm just going to fan out. So there's no harsh edges. I'm no expert at this, by the way. I'm just going with the flow. So I'm trying to not use the mirror, but because I'm aware that you always see this mirror. Oh, my eyebrows need plucking. So yes, guys, I've just had a thought in my head. It's my birthday on the 24th of March, which is not long away now, and not long to go. And I'm going to be 28. I really like that. I'm debating whether to put some on the bottom of my eye. Fuck it. Because I don't want... I'm going to put some fool's gold again at the bottom of my eye. I do honestly feel like a beginner doing my makeup these days. Doing my eyeshadow anyway, because I just don't do it anymore. That's quite cute. I like that. And obviously I'm going to go back with... When you put mascara... eyeshadow over mascara, it kind of loses the mascara. Do you know what I mean? So I'm going to use the Roller Lash, which is my all-time favourite. Just go back underneath. I should have really done my eyeshadow before my lashes. But I just couldn't come on camera without my lashes being done, you know, my mascara, because I would scare you. I actually did this video already, and I've had to refilm it because, oh my God. If I don't produce content that I'm happy with, I won't put it up because there's no point. I don't want to put any old shit out because, you know, it's my day of putting videos out. I need to be happy with the content. Drink. Oh, this is amazing. This is Joe Tea half and half. Me and my boyfriend went to Clitheroe about 2 days ago, and there was this amazing kind of boutique kind of shop. It had so much amazing food and drinks, and I picked up this tea because I love iced tea so much. And it's amazing. So it's basically half lemonade and half lemon tea. Oh, to die for. So next, I'm going to add... By the way, I love this palette. Sorry if I'm a bit jittery. I'm really excited to film because I've not filmed in such a long time. I love this palette because I love the colour. They're so different, you know. It's not like a natural, a normal kind of palette where there's browns and oranges. It's very kind of jewelly kind of, obviously, because it's called a jewel palette. So I'm going to put some fool's gold. And this time, I'm going to wet the brush. Now, don't do this if it's not your brush, but I like to do this. And go into fool's gold. I mean, I've seen Jeffree Star do this. If he can do it, I can. And I'm just going to go on the outer rim of my eye. And just press this gold. Can you see? Pack it in a bit more. Same on the other eye. So we're going for a very gold look today. And look at that. I'm sorry, but I'm quite happy with this. That looks so cool, doesn't it? And I mean, I really, really like shimmery kind of shades. That is insane. Let me just... Oh, I've got a lot of fallout. That's beautiful. And on the outer corners, I'm going to put some chocolate diamond or flex. What should I put in? Some chocolate diamond. So I'm going to go for a kind of smoky kind of look at the end. Now, I'm very, very lightly patting because I don't want to ruin the look. Chocolate diamond. Oh my God, that looks amazing. So basically, I'm just going to go back with that fluffy brush and just pat everything out again. Just feather out a bit. I don't want it to look too much. And then, obviously, my trusty beauty blender. I mean, what would you do without this beauty blender? It really does kind of merges everything into place. That is amazing. What we have, I've used, I'm actually quite pleased with this. So we have Rock Out as the transition colour. And we have Fool's Gold on the sides. And then we have Chocolate Diamond on the ends. Now, I'm just going to, just going to lightly blend everything together because I'm a bit paranoid that I don't want to look like a clown. quite impressed. I don't genuinely tend to, you know, like I said, I don't really do eye looks. I'm not really that into it. But I'm really happy with that. Obviously, I'm going to just take any fallout again because this always happens to me. I'm really pleased with that. And I think an eyeshadow kind of takes away if you don't have false lashes or eyelash extensions. Because to me, I can just tell, I just don't look the same. Obviously, people, you know, are different, but it kind of takes away the I'm not wearing any lashes kind of look because it kind of distracts people from looking into your, looking at your eyeshadow instead. So the last look, the last item of E.L.F, the last E.L.F item, God, I'm going to try is the E.L.F highlighter. Now I'm going to swatch. So, and again on my, now it's very difficult to see because my skin is like the same, nearly the same colour as this. But if you can see it as, that is the swatch. And to me, that looks like an eyeshadow. It's not very shimmery. It's not very shiny. It's not very highlightery. But we're going to try it. I'm going to use the Morphe M510 brush. Why do I sound like a makeup person on YouTube, but I'm not? And I'm just going to tap in and look at the fallout immediately. I don't like that. Now I've put quite a lot on. And we're going to try it together. That's not blinding me, to be honest. So I've gone in with another go. Wow. That's really shocking because it looks like an eyeshadow on the skin. And then obviously when it's on my cheeks, it has got a glow. It's not blinding. You're not gonna, it's very subtle, but there is a glow. I'm just gonna try my nose. I really like to do my nose. I'm actually really shocked. There is definitely a glow. I don't know whether it's because it just looks like an eyeshadow. There's no sparkle. Can you see? And on the face, let me just try and put some on the face like this. Wow, so that is more intense with the finger, but I don't really like putting stuff with the finger. I'm just going to buff this out. I don't look like a bloody reindeer. It is very pigmented, which is shocking because it just, like I said, it just looks like an eyeshadow palette. So I'm really pleasantly surprised with that. So guys, that is the finished look. I hope you like. What do you think? Kind of a gold look. I've not done eyeshadow in a minute, so I hope you enjoy and you like the look. It's very simple, very, not too much going on, is there? Quite like that. So I hope I've not bored you because I've been going on and on and on. And I'm in a very kind of quirky mood. I mean, I'm just going to swatch the Opal one by Becca. Just see what the difference is, which is just insane. I mean, look at that. Can you see? It's like wet. Why can I do it? Look, I'm sorry, but that is sick. It's not like that, but it's for people who aren't kind of, you know, you're not really a highlight person, but you just want some kind of glow. This is perfect. This is good for you, but for me, I want something more intense. I'm into the Jeffree Star highlighters and all that jazz. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment down below what's your favourite highlighter, what's your favourite makeup item. I'd love to hear from you. Please stay subscribed. Thank you for everyone who's subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. It makes me so happy to know that you're here with me on this journey. I'm really, really, excited. There's so much more coming up, so much more reviews, so much more mukbangs, just so much from me this year. I'm really going to push and push and push. Don't forget to turn the notification bell on to be notified when I next upload, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.